Let's see some cows. Let's see some cows. Let's see some cows.
Walking.
They're moving.
No cow.
No cow. They're moving.
Cow.
Cow's moving. See him moving? They're saying move. They're saying move. Yeah.
Cow.
All kinds.
Hi.
All kinds of cows.
Walking.
They're walking.
Cows.
Did you like the cows? Did you like the cows? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Smoke.
Smoke?
Yeah.
Smoke? Can you smell smoke? This is from Not Enough Cigarettes. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Don't do
that. Don't do that.
Cow.
Cows?
Cow.
You like the cows?
Cow.
You like the cows? Yeah, you like the cows.
Yeah.
Yeah. What about the tractors?
Sayo.
What about the tractors?
Sayo.
What about the tractors?
Sayo.
What about the tractors?
Sayo. Pasta.
What about the tractors? Want
No.
some cheese? Want a piece of cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want some cheese?
No.
Here, let's have some cheese. Here's some cheese, buddy. Yeah. There you go. Where are you going? Oh, that's yucky. Go throw it in the trash. Go throw it in the trash. Good job. What are you doing there? Are you stuck?
Yeah.
You stuck? You gotta pull it backwards.
Backward.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Now we gotta face it this way. You gotta face this way.
No.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta point it towards Dada. You gotta point it towards Dada. You having trouble? Here, let Dada help you. Here. Okay. Like this. There you go. Now try. Now try. There you go. Are you running? Want to play with some tractors?
No.
You want to play with no tractors? Fine. Don't stand on that. Don't stand on that. Oh, man. Dada loves you. No, don't touch the candle. Are you smelling it?
Yeah.
You smell it? Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't touch the candle.